Alright, so I found a movie on TV that I thought was kind of interesting. It's called Unstoppable, and it's about a train that's apparently unstoppable. And I saw a clip, and I thought, you know what? I can use this software, this computer software that I found online, to analyze the video and estimate about how fast this train is actually going. Um, and obviously, I haven't seen the movie yet, so I'm not sure what they claim, but we can estimate. So what I've done is I put it into this new program similar to Logger Pro. It's called Tracker, and Tracker does just about the same thing. It just takes a little bit more learning uh, to know how to run the software. So I set a few points, set my coordinate system, um, set the length, which the wheelbase of this truck is approximately 3 meters. I googled that. It looks like a Chevy truck, so we went with the wheelbase of a Chevy. So there's a couple of points. As you can see the movie going through, all I did was set the point to the front of the train for each frame, or front of the train for each frame of the movie. So we've got a few points there, and off to the right you can see about what the constant movement or constant motion of this train. And from there we can actually change the axis to my velocity in the x direction. There's also a velocity magnitude, so if we wanted to do velocity just in general, because as you can tell, there is a little tiny bit of a change in my y position as well. So we'll go to the velocity, the magnitude, and we can estimate, we can probably average these 3 points and say that it's somewhere in between 40 and 45 meters per second. I set the wheelbase of this train, or sorry, the wheelbase of this truck to 3 meters. So somewhere in between 40 and 45 meters per second, which if you do a quick conversion, the velocity is actually around 92 miles per hour. So I look forward to hearing what uh, the movie claims that it's moving. If it's around 90 miles an hour, that's pretty accurate.